Craving something sweet, citrusy, and refreshing, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? This citrus mix pound mug cake is soft, buttery, and bursting with bright citrus flavor. The best part? It's ready in just minutes. Let's make it together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives the cake its soft base. Next, stir in 2.5 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to help it rise, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch to create that dense pound cake crumb. Mix everything well so the leavening spreads evenly. Now pour in 1 tablespoon of melted butter for richness and 1/2 tablespoon of neutral oil, like sunflower or canola, to lock in moisture. Add 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt. For the citrusy kick, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. Finally, add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Stir until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Microwave your mug for 75 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. For a decadent finish, make a quick citrus cream cheese frosting. Mix 2 tablespoons of cream cheese with 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh orange juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir until creamy and smooth. Spread it generously over your cooled mug cake and garnish with a sprinkle of mixed lemon and orange zest. And there you have it, a buttery, zesty, and creamy citrus mix pound mug cake. Bright, refreshing, and ready in minutes. It's sunshine in a mug. Don't forget to try it out and let me know your favorite toppings. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.